Hi friends, good evening. Today it is 12th June 2022 and the time is exactly 8 p.m. So I'm going to do two videos. One, I'm going to talk about the US indices and ETH and USD, and the second video will be our weekly forecast on Nifty and Bank Nifty and few stocks which we need to concentrate for next week. So now let's go to the chart. And you can go back and watch my last week forecast video of Dow Jones, Nasdaq, S&P and all that. I have given the clear dates which you need to watch out for. So from there, I am going to take it on. Now let's go to the chart. Okay, so now let's go to Dow Jones. This is on daily. Last week, I clearly mentioned that 31st May will be the game changer for Dow Jones. So after that, it was consolidating to the core for 6 days within the high and low of 31st May. Once it broke the 31st May low, and you are seeing this kind of a fall. So now 31st May is crucial for Dow Jones to claim above. So it has to close at above 31st May high, and there the pitchfork lowest line is also sitting there, this blue color line. So unless and until it is not going to go above 31st May high, I think we are going to go much deeper down, and this I've already covered in last week also, so you can go back and check. Number one. Number two, now the second date which I am watching out is 17th June. Instead you can keep 17th June or 21st June, but the important date which I am watching out in Dow Jones is 29th June. 29th June. So watch out for 29th June also. Okay, so now it is below the 31st low, so which is definitely weak. And if you go to weekly, uh, it is nearing the support of pitchfork, break below possibility of this number, which is the monthly support number of fortune signals. So this is a number which I'm watching out for. If it breaks, and I have already given the numbers here, 28284, 27169. So watch out for Dow Jones, these two numbers, which is a monthly number and where you are getting the pitchfork median line also. So this number has to hold by Dow Jones in the coming month. This is monthly, so you need to watch till how the monthly close, but watch out, mark these two numbers in Dow Jones and see what happens and where you are getting the pitchfork support also. Let's go to S&P. Last week, it took the exact support from the number which we mentioned and from the fortune signals blue color, and from there it went up. Now again it is approaching, so we need to see whether it is going to hold this 3840 and 3714. Break below 3714, again it's a big problem for S&P also. And what was the important date to watch out for in S&P? It was 29th April. 29th April. I covered this date in my April video. You can go back and check. So till it is not closing about 29th April high, it is bearish only. So now the support is here, which is 3840 and 3714, which you need to watch out for. Last time it exactly took the support from that number and went up, and now it is approaching the same number. So watch out for these two numbers in S&P for this week. And this is actually a monthly number, monthly fortune signals blue and red. So this number has to hold on a monthly closing basis. Please remember that, monthly closing basis. Let's go to Nasdaq. Really ugly because it is closed below the monthly number, which is 12,318, and it is not able to close above 12 to 825 last month. It closed within that high and low last month, and now it is again breaking. So break below and close below last month low. It is again more and more dangerous for Nasdaq. So watch out. Let's see what happens, and we have another 20 days to go from here. So this is a monthly candle, and based on daily, 100% it is bearish. And the date, I think that I have not given any date. The date has happened here on 16th November, and from there you are seeing a massive fall. So the last support of Nasdaq is 11,304. This is the number which you need to watch out, which is my pink color line, which is 11,304. You can take it 11,300 level. So this is the number which you need to watch out for in the coming month or coming days or coming week, whatever the way in which it is falling. Most probably it will be touched very soon. So this is the number which you need to watch out for in the coming week, which is 11,300. Let's go to ETH. Okay, so the date was clearly mentioned last week, which was 7th June. Until now, it is not able to break the 7th June high, and it is closing below the 7th June, and it started falling very badly. And if you go to monthly, it has already broken the fortune signals monthly also. So definitely looking ugly. Most probably the support will come at 746 also. I don't know all that, but it is definitely looking ugly. Definitely looking ugly. One thing which I want to tell you is mark the 14th high and low of BTC and USD cryptos. If any miracle has to happen, it has to happen on 14th June. 14th June. Okay, so now let's go to daily. I'm talking especially for cryptos. Especially for cryptos. 14th June high and low, and 14th June high and low is very crucial even for Nifty and Bank Nifty, and that is what we covered in our webinar now. We had a webinar at 6 o'clock until 8 o'clock. We are discussing about these dates, numbers and all that. So 14th June is very crucial for BTC and USD. So watch out what is going to happen. Break below 14th low, again more problem. In case if it sustains and closes above 14th high, maybe possibility of some kind of a pullback. Okay, so the next important date which you need to watch out for in ETH is 4th September 2022. 4th September 2022, and you all know how it topped out on 3rd April, which we predicted this date in the month of January itself, and the videos is available in my YouTube channel. You can go back and watch it. Okay, so now let's come to BTC. Again, BTC 14th is the date which you need to watch out for. 14th is the date which you need to watch out for, and it is below the recent date, which was the blue color date low. Okay, till it is below this date high, it is bearish only. So it has to close above this date high for any kind of bullishness in the coming days, coming weeks, or the month. So watch out for. So this is a simple video which I need to cover. I don't want to put a lot of analysis, Ichimoku, pitchfork and all that. So fortune signals is enough for us to judge. And last time also, see exactly it came down, went and touched that pink color line, got restricted at the Shakti, started coming down. So no need to do a lot of analysis in identifying the bottom and top. Yes, as of now, we need to watch 14th June high and low in BTC and USD. So this is simple analysis. I've already given the numbers. So now after this, I will try to cover Nifty and Bank Nifty, and I am very much focused on now pharma. I will tell you why. Then maybe I will try to cover, because this is a very small video. I'll try to cover Nifty Pharma also in this video. Nifty Pharma, yeah, let's go to Nifty Pharma. I'll cover this here so that this video will not be that much bigger. So now Nifty Pharma is exactly sitting at the weekly fortune signals blue and red, and it was a doji candle last week, and I clearly mentioned in my PPT that this week, and actually it is not I mentioned in my PPT, I have given it to my subscribers saying that mark the high and low of this week. Okay, this week is very crucial for Nifty Pharma. If it breaks above the last week high, that is from Monday to Friday high, I'm expecting some kind of a miracle is going to happen in pharma. But break below this and break below the fortune signals red color, it is definitely ugly. And the date which you need to watch out for is 7th June high and low. And this week is very crucial for pharma. So watch out. This is based on time cycle. So watch out, mark this week, high and low. And the counters which I am watching out is Dr. Reddy, Glenmark, and Granules. And Granules is having his important date on Monday, which is tomorrow. So watch out for Granules tomorrow on opening. And you know how to trade the trend change rate. And the trend change rate is first 15 minutes high and low. Break above the high, simply buy with the stop loss of 15 minutes low, or break below the low, simply sell with the stop loss of 15 minutes high. And for positional, mark tomorrow's high and low. If it breaks the high and closes above the high, you can take a buy call with the stop loss of tomorrow's low. This is on Granules. And Dr. Reddy, I think it is having a date on 17th of I think 17th or 19th. Maybe I'll try to show that. I'll try to show that to you. Yeah. Okay, so now let's go here. Just a minute. Okay, so yeah, Granules is having the date on June 11th. Watch out. June 11th was Saturday, so holiday. So you need to watch the next day, which is coming Monday. And Dr. Reddy is having the date on 19th, and Glenmark is having the date on 21st. So all these pharma companies kindly have a note, and because Biocon is already done the wonders, the date, the miracle date was June 4th, and from there it was trading above. I've already told, mark these 6 companies high and low. This will be the game changer for the whole year. So watch out these 6 stocks, and Biocon is trading above, and TVS Motor is trading above, and Grasim is trading within the low of these 2. And DLF was near to the low. Let's see what happens tomorrow. So these are the 3 pharma stocks which I am watching out for. And Sun Pharma also we discussed today in the webinar. It is very near to the support, and 830 is the level which we are watching out for. If it holds 830, we will definitely take a buy position in Sun Pharma with a stop loss of not more than 1%, and that is what we discussed in the webinar today. So this is a snapshot of Dow Jones, other indices. I will try to cover Nifty and Bank Nifty in the next video. Thanks a lot for seeing this video. Again, saying I'm not a SEBI registered investment advisor, so kindly do your homework or consult your financial advisors before taking any financial decisions. See you soon tomorrow at 9:07. Thanks a lot. Bye.